Here is a video on French Revolution, First World War and Second World War. So, who said, "Oh God, what shall I do? The universe is falling upon me." ये किसने कहा था? लुईस XVI. When France catches cold, entire Europe sneezes refers to which historical event of the following? French Revolution. What was the guideline of the French monarch? Divine right theory of kingship. The palace of Versailles was created by which Bourbon monarch? Louis XIV. The French parliament was known as States General. The French society was divided into fold division. 3. In the French society, the nobles and aristocrats came under which state? The second state. Nobles fight, the clergy pray, and the people pay refers to which society? French. Which social class of France were known as bourgeois? The third state. Who was the leader of the French Revolution 1789? Mirabeau. Who was the author of the book The Spirit of Laws? Montesquieu. Which French philosopher criticized the church? Voltaire. Which French philosopher advocated the theory of separation of powers? Montesquieu. What is known as the Bible of French Revolution? The social contract. The three magic ideas, liberty, equality, and fraternity, was the contribution of which of the following philosophers? Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Who had constructed the luxurious palace at Versailles? Louis XIV. Who was the leader of the French volunteer in American War of Independence? Lafayette. Which of the following revolution is called a bourgeois revolution? The French Revolution. When did the fort of Bastille fall? 14 July 1789. Name the finance minister who chalked out the program of reforms. No bankrupts, no increase of taxations, no more borrowing. Turgot. Who among the following was not a finance minister of France on the eve of the French Revolution? Diderot. Francois Marie Arouet is the name of a French philosopher. Refers to which one of the following? Voltaire. Baron de Charles is the name of a French philosopher. Refers to which one of the following? Montesquieu. Who wrote letters in English? Voltaire. Which century is known as Age of Enlightenment? 18th century. Who wrote Discourse on the Origin of Inequality? Raoult, which finance minister of France suggested to summon the meeting of the States General? Brienne. In the French society, which states came under the unprivileged section? The third state. Gabella was a salt tax. Which of the following words was not a call of Raoult? Justice. Who was a pillar of cloud by day and fire by night? Voltaire. Who did describe the French Revolution as world historical? Hegel. Talley was a land tax. Victim was an income tax. Corvée was a road tax. The French Revolution gave a death blow to all the above: feudalism, ancient regime, and monarchy. The French Revolution helped in the growth of nationalism. When was the prison of Bastille razed to ground? 1789, July 14. Name the book that contains the message of Raoult: man is born free and everywhere he is in chain. Social contract. Who ignited the spark of the French Revolution? Mirabeau. How many deputies did constitute the States General of France? 1200. The fort of Bastille was a center of cruel yoke, a national prison, a center of tyranny. All this. To which country did Marie Antoinette belong? Austria. Who said, when France catches cold, entire Europe sneezes? Metternich. Nobles fight, clergy praise, and common pay is a famous dialogue refers to which society? French. Who among the following did not belong to third estate? Nobles. When was Louis XVI Coulthard? 1793. Tennis court oath was a significant event of which of the following historical events? French Revolution. Which one of the following was an important result of the French Revolution? Abolition of monarchy, death of Fort of Bastille, end of ancient regime, all this. No bankruptcy, now new taxes and no loans was the solution of which of the following finance minister of France? Turgot. A man who wishes to borrow must appear to be rich, and to appear rich the most dazzle by spending freely was that of which finance minister of France? Coligny. Abbe and Mirabeau were two heroes of which revolution? French Revolution. Tennis court oath was taken place on June 20, 1789. The Bourbon monarchs lived at Versailles. Who among the following was not a hero of French Revolution? Cavour.